What's up, everyone? Welcome back to 4All Cycle Performance. Today we have a 2023 Hayabusa. The dyno tuning is already complete, but today we're going to show you how we installed the air shifter with the MPS pump in the rear section, and this will have a horn switch swapper as well. So let me just do a walkthrough to show you how clean this installation can be. So here's our MPS pump, which is activated with a pressure switch when you turn on your key. So from here, we have a hose clamp holding it in position, also with a zip tie. We have a 90-degree poly fitting here coming down to our air bottle with another 90 on the bottom. On the top, we have a T to fit our 90 poly fitting, and this is our pressure switch. The pressure switch goes to ground, and the other side of the ground goes to your pump. So the one lead coming off your pump will go to your pressure switch 1. The other lead from the pressure switch will go to ground, and that is interrupted once the pressure is achieved. So here we have the factory output. It's only rated for 3 amps. You must change that to a 15 amp fuse for this particular pump. And we have a B joining us today. So here is where the output is, and you can tap into this any which way. Boost by Smith actually makes a harness for it. We decided just to wire in directly. This is where the fuse will terminate. We also put our own fusible link just to double safety. So we have 2 15 amp fuses, one here and one in the factory position. So then following our tubing comes down here to a T fitting, and over here to our solenoid, and down to our shifter. So we have not yet installed our switch swapper, which we will be doing soon, but our pressure gauge is installed. So what we will demonstrate is when we turn on the key, the pump will turn on until the pressure is achieved. So here we go. So this will pump until it reaches 120 PSI and shut off. There we go. And then once it drops below 90, the pump will come back on. So we'll just give it a couple quick pushes here of the button, which will activate the shifter. And there you go. As the pressure drops, the pump comes back on. So we found this is the cleanest way to install this on the Gen 3 Hayabusa. If you need any parts or accessories or dyno tuning, this is the number to call. We do ECU flashing and dyno tuning. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.